I mixed coffee with acetone and surprised everyone with the result. Certainly the best tip to remove stains from your pots. To start this tip in a container, I will add a tablespoon of coffee powder. The second item we will use in this tip is acetone. The ideal amount for the mixture is 100 milliliters. And then we will mix. Acetone is one of the most suitable items for removing burn marks in parts, and only the small amount mixed with coffee will act directly on aluminum and removing stains easily. The last item I will use is the detergent, and the ideal amount for the tip is 4 tablespoons. The detergent is the most used item in the cleaning of kitchen utensils. Here in this mixture, it adds even more with the use of acetone and coffee. Ideally mix well until all ingredients are diluted. To facilitate the application and yield of the product, I will also add a cup of water and then mix one last time. Only this small amount is enough for cleaning your parts several times, and if you prefer, you can even store the product and use only the required amount. I am sure you will be surprised by the use of this mixture being different from any product that has used until today for the removal of stains. Only in the application of the product, without at least rubbing, we can already remove much of the dirt contained in the pan. Tell me, if you have used coffee for cleaning in your home, here it is the item that enhances the effectiveness of other ingredients. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Mania Casa from the Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This mixture can also be used in other items in your kitchen easily. You can remove any dirt and stains from the parts. If necessary, you can even use steel sponge to remove the coarse or dirt. We should only be careful with the use of this mixture. For your type of pan, this mixture is fully suitable for removing stains, mainly on aluminum. I am sure you will thank me for this simple and effective tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.